I'd like to wish everyone a Happy New Year. This is the first full session of the European Parliament in 2013. It's a really important week for us in Wales. Not only are we talking about things like workers' rights and consulting workers before job losses, things that we've had very bad experiences of in the past, but we're also looking forward to the next 6 months when Ireland will be taking over the presidency of the European Union. And we'll be debating that in the Parliament chamber tomorrow morning. There are going to be votes taken which are critical to Wales in the next few weeks. The future of the Common Agricultural Policy, the future of EU funding is coming up, the debate on the budget goes on. And of course, it's so important for us to keep making the point here that our interest, the Welsh national interest, is different to the UK interest. We benefit from being members of the European Union. We benefit in terms of trade and jobs, but also financially. We get more in Wales than we pay into the EU. So we have to keep putting that argument across. But of course this week is important as well because David Cameron is making a big speech on the European Union. We don't know what he's going to say yet, but certainly we in Plaid Cymru will be speaking for Wales and looking at what's best for Wales. If we have a referendum, then our campaign will be based on the best interests of the people of Wales.